Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy, cheery Rainbow Shaker Christmas card, so let's get started. First, I blend a diagonal rainbow background with Distress inks. I'm using picked raspberry, dried marigold, squeezed lemonade, cracked pistachio, salvaged patina, Mermaid Lagoon, and for my very first time, Villainous potion. I'm using blending brushes for a softer, more pastel effect. Who said snowflakes can't be combined with rainbows for a holiday card? I think the sparkly, shimmery snowflakes are a perfect match for a rainbow. Once I finish blending, I let the panel dry completely. Next, I die cut the Fancy Flakes outline cover plate die with white cardstock to get my shaker panel. Then I die cut it with the pierced Fancy Flakes cover plate die for the gorgeous stitching detail. I add double-sided tape around the edge of the shaker panel and then add a little liquid glue to the back of the snowflakes. Then I adhere a sheet of clear acetate to the back of the panel to create my shaker. Next, I build up a channel around the outside of the shaker panel using thin strips of foam mounting tape. I fill the shaker with clear and iridescent sequins, shimmery seed beads, and iridescent stars. Then I carefully remove the adhesive backing and seal the shaker with my blended rainbow panel. I die cut the piece word from black and silver glitter cardstock and then stamp the rest of the sentiment onto black cardstock and heat emboss it with silver embossing powder. I trim them down to thin labels and adhere the word with liquid adhesive and the sentiment labels with foam mounting tape to finish the card. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!